Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're interested in customizing your TradingView charts and making your analysis easier to follow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Pine script to create and draw a horizontal line on your chart step by step. By the end, you'll know how to add crisp, professional-looking horizontal lines right where you need them, helping you highlight key price levels, support resistance, or any other important zones. Whether you're brand new to scripting or just looking for a quick refresher, we're going to break things down together. So let's get started. First things first, you'll find a sample Pine script for drawing a horizontal line in the video description below. Go ahead and copy that script so you've got it handy. If you've never used Pine script before, don't worry. It's a simple scripting language designed just for TradingView, so it's super beginner-friendly. Having the script ready lets you focus on the setup process instead of getting lost writing code from scratch. Now, if you take a look at the Pine script, you'll notice it includes references for both a top line and a bottom line. Essentially, these are plotted levels that you can position anywhere on your chart. This is perfect for marking, say, a support level at the bottom and a resistance level at the top. Think of it like drawing lines on a soccer field. You're visually marking boundaries, making it easier to see the action and spot important plays. Let's talk about the customization parts in the script. When you plot a line in Pine script, you can tweak the color, the line width, and even the line style. This matters more than you might think. It's like choosing a highlighter color in a textbook. A bold red line might instantly draw your eye to a break-even point, while a dashed blue line could represent a less critical threshold. Play around with these options to find a combination that best suits your analysis style, and don't be shy about experimenting. If you accidentally pick colors you don't like, you can always change them later without any hassle. Ready to bring your line to life on the chart? Let's add it now. In the Pine script editor, simply paste your copied script and look for the Add to Chart button, usually up near the top right of the editor window. Go ahead and click that. The script will be processed, and just like magic, your horizontal line appears right on your active chart. Don't worry if it takes a moment to show up. Sometimes TradingView just needs a second to catch up with your commands. And that's really all there is to it. But before you finish, take a moment to review your chart. Make sure the horizontal line is exactly where you want it, aligned with your target price level and styled in a way that matches your chart's theme. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back to the script and tweak the parameters until you get it just the way you want. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn, and soon you'll be customizing your charts like a pro. So that's how you use Pine script to draw a horizontal line on TradingView. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to see tutorials on other custom indicators, drop a comment below. I check every single one. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest TradingView tips and scripting tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy trading.